The little polar bear. One time there was a mom polar bear. A cub was born. Soon the cub grew and grew. When the cub was 2 years old, the next day the mom got one seal for food. And then they ate it in the den. The next day, mom had another cub. And when the other cub was 2 years old, the other cub was 4. And then they all went out for some food to eat. And they got a big seal. And then they went back into the den and ate it.
Jack done. Are you finished, Jack?
Yeah.